Hey you guys, so I'm here with a Elevate Styles video showing you some really cute synthetic wigs. They're looking better and better every year. I love the color on all of these wigs, very different. I'm gonna show you different ways I style the wigs, make them look a little bit more natural. Now, all of them are bang lace wigs. That's what it's called, bang lace. So you guys can check them out. It comes with like tape and all that good stuff. So I'll have the color of the wigs that I'm wearing in the information box. I'll have Elevate Styles information box. So hopefully this video is helpful. Here is the wigs. I love this style right here. I can't wait to try it on. So pretty, the highlights. So it's a mixture of like synthetic and human hair. So you can use a little bit of heat with this wig. There's the inside. I love the color, something different. I like the curls, and I think that the bang, if you like the bang, you can really do it, a little funky bangs. Or I was thinking of maybe doing like a middle part because I like the lace on this. You can see it's lace all the way to the front. So I'm going to pluck the hair right here. Okay, I kind of turned it into a middle part. Put that on there. And the bangs, because the bangs are pretty thin. So you can tuck that in. And I got this mousse. I use this on my human hair as well, the human hair wigs. It really lays the part really well. So put that on there. The wig and help hairs lay down, like little stray hairs or whatever. So, because it gets a little sticky. So that's what I like about this mousse. It's good for natural hair, of course. But I like to put it on my wigs as well, so. So next I'll put makeup on the part, and what I'm going to use is like some powder that matches my skin tone. Put it on there. This lace is good. Oh, I love the lace. Okay, this is the next wig. Love the color. Again, it comes with some tape. I love this color. It's so pretty. It's like an ombre brown, and it has like a dark root. It has 3 combs. So I decided to keep a bang on this one. You guys let me know what you think about this one with the bangs. I love the color and the cut. So I'll have the link to this one in the information box. Okay, the next unit I will be showing you. I love the curls. And again, the bang lace. Really pretty color, really pretty waves. I like the feel of it. It's synthetic, again, it's synthetic and human hair. So it feels amazing. They get better with these synthetic waves, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna cut off the lace. So this one, so now I just gotta make it look a little bit realistic. Again, it's the bang. You can have the bangs. But me, I'm going to do like a middle part with this one. I think it'll look really cute. So what I'm going to do is again, pluck the closure. You see how it looks? Just the back. back and I did pluck it a little wider. I might have to go do it some more, but I did pluck it with the tweezers. I showed you. But all the wigs look like this inside. I like the volume, so I don't want it to be too flat right here. But yeah, this is it. The look on this unit I love so much. Show you the back. So that's it with all 3 units I got from Elevate Styles. I will have Elevate Styles in the information box if you guys want to check out the items that they have. It's like a big beauty supply store. They have everything that you need. Synthetic human hair wigs, wig caps, glue, all that. I will have the information on the wigs that I'm wearing in this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Inexpensive, pretty wigs. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.